Hey guys, I'm at the Walmart. It's Saturday. Um, I just want to give everybody a little story. You're shaking too much. Let's put it down here on the steering wheel. Is that a little bit better? Hopefully that's a little bit better. Sun's in my eyes now. Sun's in your eyes too. Keep staring at me. But I just want to tell you a little story. For those of you who haven't seen videos with me calling it the Walmart instead of Walmart, the reason I do that is because I'm going to say it was about 2 years ago, and I was doing the first Walmart pricing scam. And when I did the video, I said I'm at the Walmart, and I gave the name of the town. And I took the name of the town out. I thought it might be the best idea not to have it in there. But I got some some yahoo leaving a comment about why I'm calling it the Walmart. It's just Walmart. Why do you keep mumbling and ramping? And I ended up deleting the comment. But yeah, that's why I call it the Walmart. I don't know if the guy's still watching, but it's like an inside joke, especially for me, because this guy just went crazy about calling it the Walmart instead of just Walmart. Okay, I'm going to get off here and try to get my TV. Hopefully y'all have a great weekend. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. I went to the doctor yesterday. Then my TV broke, so I had to leave the house. But, okay, do me a favor, click that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.